Now I'm in the vacuum cleaners. So we've got a Dyson V11, Dyson Omoglide. We've got Miele's, Henry's, Hetty, John Lewis-Owen, Shark canisters, old-fashioned Sebos, Vax, carpet cleaner, that's the Black's cordless, car washers. This is a Dyson V15 Detect. We've got a V7 trigger. That's the V15 with the laser detect fluffy head. This is the outsize model. Shark. That's anti-hair wrap. This one's got power fins. This is the cordless version, and that's the steam rock cleaner. There's a more cordless.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Well, it's not being funny anyway, but you know. Yeah. Yeah, it's got like a bent just off the front. Can we send you a picture of it?
So that's the that's the Dyson Purifans here. Very cool. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you another time. Hello everyone.